I'm Jeff McKay, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, and I am proud to recognize October as National Disability Employment Awareness Month and read the following proclamation. Whereas this year's theme is disability, part of the equity equation, recognizing the important role people with disabilities play in making our nation's workforce diverse and inclusive. And whereas 17% of Virginia residents with disabilities and 10% or 8,247 Fairfax County residents with disabilities have income below the poverty level. And whereas people with disabilities make up to 7% of the labor force in Virginia and 4% of the labor force in Fairfax County, and whereas a workplace that is inclusive of people with disabilities is an enriching environment that spurs creativity, ingenuity, and productivity for everyone. Now therefore be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all Fairfax County residents, does hereby proclaim October 2022 as Disability Employment Awareness Month in Fairfax County and remains committed to expanding efforts to promote employment of people with disabilities, including a goal of making Fairfax County government a model employer of people with disabilities.